The Venus flytrap. Just the name sends shivers of both fear and fascination down our spines. This isn't your average houseplant, content with a splash of water and a sunny windowsill. Oh no, this botanical marvel is a predator, a master of deception, luring unsuspecting insects into its cleverly designed traps. Imagine a dewy, innocent-looking leaf, fringed with what appear to be delicate hairs. But don't be fooled. Those hairs are highly sensitive triggers, just waiting for an unsuspecting fly or ant to land. Touch, touch, snap. The trap slams shut, imprisoning the hapless insect within its toothy embrace. Join us as we delve into the quirky world of the Venus flytrap, exploring its origins, its various forms, and the secrets to keeping this carnivorous wonder thriving in your own home. You might imagine the Venus flytrap emerging from some prehistoric jungle, its snapping jaws a match for dinosaurs and giant insects. But the truth, as is often the case, is a little less dramatic. This carnivorous curiosity hails from a surprisingly specific and rather unassuming location, the coastal bogs of North and South Carolina, USA. These bogs, with their nutrient-poor soil, forced the Venus flytrap to evolve a rather unique method of supplementing its diet. Unable to obtain all the necessary nutrients from the soil alone, the Venus flytrap turned to a different source, unsuspecting insects. So, the next time you gaze upon a Venus flytrap, remember its humble origins in the Carolina bogs, a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of nature's designs. Let's get up close and personal with the Venus flytrap's trapping mechanism, a marvel of natural engineering. Picture two modified leaves, hinged at the base, forming the trap. The edges are lined with those infamous teeth, more accurately called cilia, which interlock when the trap snaps shut, creating a cage for the unsuspecting prey. But what triggers this rapid reaction? Look closely, and you'll see delicate, hair-like structures on the inside surface of the trap. These are the trigger hairs, highly sensitive to touch. A single touch might not be enough, but two touches within approximately 20 seconds, and the trap springs into action. This two-touch mechanism is incredibly clever. It helps the plant distinguish between a genuine insect meal and a false alarm, like a raindrop or a fallen leaf. Larger insects, however, are trapped inside. Their struggles only serve to further stimulate the trap, causing it to seal tightly and begin the process of digestion. It's a gruesome yet fascinating spectacle, a reminder that even in the plant world, survival often depends on a bit of clever cunning. While the classic Venus flytrap is a sight to behold, did you know that there are many different cultivars, each with its unique characteristics? For those who like their plants with a touch of drama, the Red Dragon cultivar is a showstopper. Its traps are a deep, rich red, almost black, making it look like something out of a gothic horror film. If you prefer a more delicate beauty, the dentate traps cultivar might be more your style. And for the truly adventurous, there's the B52 cultivar, known for its enormous traps capable of capturing larger insects and even the occasional small frog. Section 5. Creating the ideal home soil, water, and sunlight requirements. So, you're ready to welcome a Venus flytrap into your home? Excellent choice. But before you do, it's important to understand this carnivorous plant's unique needs. Remember, this isn't your average houseplant. First, let's talk soil. Venus flytraps are accustomed to the nutrient-poor bogs of their native habitat. Therefore, standard potting soil is a no-no. It's far too rich and can actually harm your plant. Instead, opt for a mixture of peat moss and perlite. This combination provides good drainage while mimicking the acidic environment your Venus flytrap loves. Next up, water. Venus flytraps are thirsty plants, but they're also sensitive to chemicals commonly found in tap water. Your best bet is to use distilled water or rainwater. Simply keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Finally, sunlight. Venus flytraps need plenty of it, at least 6 hours per day. A south-facing window is ideal. Section 6. Feeding your Venus flytrap, a guide for hungry plants. Now let's address the question on everyone's mind. What about feeding time? It's true, Venus flytraps need insects to supplement their diet, but you don't need to turn your home into an insectarium. In their natural habitat, Venus flytraps catch their own food, but indoors, they'll need a helping hand from their human companions. You can purchase live insects like flies, crickets, or mealworms from pet stores. Simply drop the insect into the trap, ensuring it touches the trigger hairs. Alternatively, you can use a pair of tweezers to gently stimulate the hairs, mimicking the movement of an insect. However, moderation is key. Only feed your Venus flytrap one insect per trap, every 2 to 3 weeks. Overfeeding can be harmful. Feeding time can be a fun and interactive experience, allowing you to witness the Venus flytrap's incredible hunting skills firsthand. Section 7. Dormancy, the Venus flytrap's winter slumber. Just like many of us, Venus flytraps need their beauty sleep too. Well, sort of. As winter approaches, you'll notice your vibrant green trap-happy friend starting to look a little worse for wear. Don't panic. This is entirely natural and is a crucial part of the Venus flytrap's life cycle called dormancy. As the days grow shorter and the temperature drops, the Venus flytrap enters a period of dormancy, much like hibernation in animals. Its growth slows down, its leaves turn black and wither, and it might even appear to be dying. But rest assured, it's simply taking a well-deserved break. During dormancy, which typically lasts from November to February, you'll need to adjust your care routine. Reduce watering significantly, keeping the soil barely moist. Dormancy might seem like a sad time for your Venus flytrap, but it's essential for its long-term health and vigor. Section 8. Propagation, multiplying your flytrap family. Once you've fallen for the charms of the Venus flytrap, it's only natural to want more of these fascinating plants. The good news is, Venus flytraps are relatively easy to propagate, allowing you to expand your collection or share the joy with fellow plant enthusiasts. There are a couple of ways to propagate Venus flytraps, through leaf cuttings or by dividing the rhizome. Leaf cuttings involve carefully removing a healthy leaf from the plant, making sure to get a small piece of the white bulbous base. This base is where the roots will develop. Plant the leaf cutting in a suitable growing medium and provide the same care as you would for a mature Venus flytrap. With a little patience, you'll soon see new growth emerging. Propagation is a rewarding way to multiply your Venus flytrap family, giving you even more of these captivating plants to admire. Section 9. Common pests and problems. Keeping your Venus flytrap healthy. While Venus flytraps are relatively hardy plants, they can still fall victim to pests and diseases, just like any other plant. However, with a little vigilance and prompt action, most problems can be easily resolved. One common pest is the aphid, those tiny sap-sucking insects that can quickly infest a plant. If you notice aphids on your Venus flytrap, you can try spraying them off with a strong jet of water or using insecticidal soap. Another potential problem is fungal diseases, which can cause spots on the leaves or even root rot. To prevent fungal issues, ensure your Venus flytrap has good air circulation and avoid overwatering. By providing your Venus flytrap with the right care and keeping a close eye out for any potential problems, you can help ensure its long-term health and happiness. Section 10. Fun facts about Venus, flytraps, quirks, and oddities. Now that we've covered the essentials of Venus flytrap care, let's dive into some fun and fascinating facts about these quirky plants. Get ready to be amazed. They can count. We already know that Venus flytraps have a 2-touch mechanism for their traps, but did you know that they can actually count beyond 2? Research has shown that Venus flytraps can distinguish between different numbers of prey, adjusting their digestive efforts accordingly. They have a taste for the exotic. While Venus flytraps primarily feed on insects, they've been known to trap and digest small animals like frogs and even tiny lizards. They're surprisingly long-lived. With proper care, Venus flytraps can live for up to 20 years. That's a lot of insect catching for one plant. They're more closely related to carnations than to sundews. It just goes to show that appearances can be deceiving. Section 11. Conclusion. The Venus flytrap, a plant that never ceases to amaze. The Venus flytrap, with its snapping jaws and carnivorous appetite, is a plant that never fails to capture our imaginations. It's a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, and that even the most unassuming creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, the Venus flytrap is a rewarding and fascinating plant to grow. By providing it with the right care and environment, you can enjoy its unique beauty and witness its incredible hunting skills firsthand. So why not add a touch of the extraordinary to your home with a Venus flytrap? It's a plant that's sure to spark conversations, ignite curiosity, and leave a lasting impression on all who encounter its captivating charms.